There have been several clashes between the Scouts and the alleged occupants and owners of the Kaazi land. This tension recently prompted the Scouts Association of Uganda to seek intervention of Parliament after allegedly learning that Delight Company had destroyed the environment.
We collided with the former leaders who were there during COVID-19.
Convinced me that NEMA has never seen that construction taking place, that it saw it a week ago.
Be sure we shall reach there. We have started. We have started. NEMA is here.
These and other factors, including the dumping of soil in the wetlands, have led NEMA and the Ministry of Water and Environment to visit, survey and map the area.
So it's where we find it. I find it there.
Emmanuel Wepukulu, who led the land mapping exercise and the head of Environment and Wetland Protection in the Central Region, said they took action after receiving complaints from the Uganda Scouts Association.
Demarcate where our wetland stops, or an area, a confined area where he should stop. So today we demarcated and we have shown him, and we are still instructing him according to the restoration order that was issued on 2nd of July 2024. So it's required by our order to remove all this soil.
Wepukulu has clarified that Delight Company illegally settled in the wetland and dumped soil in it, which is against the country's environmental laws. He henceforth suspended the company's operations until they meet the laid down requirements.
And we also find him. People might think, okay, what did you do on him? We find him and he paid money to NEMA, and then also we have stopped the site until he gets an environmental impact assessment certificate.
Wepukulu confirmed that NEMA will continue to evict settlers from the wetlands in the implementation of the presidential decree, but assured those who received the land titles in 1995 to keep calm if they are following the wetland laws.
Kubanga fenga NEMA oba National Environment Act 2019 egamba elietako olina okubeerako olusi okutulundirako ebyennyanja bwe applying okufuna a permit y'okulunda ebyennyanja okkirizibwako. So bw'obanga olina ettaka lyo oba liri kumpi n'olutobazi oba liri mu lutobazi, please genda ku NEMA oba jangu ku Ministry of Water and Environment.
Delight Company's Omar Nasul Sekamate agreed with the environmentalists that they encroached on wetlands.
No nekitundu ekyo kitwayingiramu oba kitwali tumaze okusindikamu ettaka. So olwali omulimu guno tugutandiseeko nga tugondera amateeka, kubanga ebbaluwa gye baatuwa yali mu kkono n'okusasula engassi gye twamaledde okusasula. Era wenjogerera kati tutandise omulimu guno bazze ne batulaga wawe tuyinza okukoma.
He presented the documents of the land sold to him.
Sijja kusaako nnyo nti nvunaana NEMA oba ministry, naye ebbaluwa twasaba wayiseewo omwaka mulamba nga tutaddeyo okusaba kwaffe. Era ne batuwa n'ebbaluwa batuddamu mu buwandiike ne batubulira biki bye tuyinza okukola, era ne batusaba tugumiikirize basobole otuwa Asia.
Amaiva Njuko for UBC.